Okay, right, let's get started. We're going to start off easy. We're going to do some basic recall questions. Obviously, there's a mix of different difficulties in all of these questions, so try as many as you can for me. Okay, if I number these, it's going to make it more easy for you to put your answers in the chat, isn't it? So let me do that first. I'll number them and I'll give them some letters. See, Pranav is straight in there. Pranav knows how this works. Right, so we're looking for which one is an animal cell, which one is a bacterial cell, and which one is a plant cell. So this is just basic cell structure. It's just recognizing your cells. Okay, noted, Aisha. Thank you very much. Right, so one goes with C. Easy peasy. We're locking in now, aren't we? Which one is the bacterial cell? 2 goes with A. Yeah, I'd agree with that. And which one is the plant cell? 3 goes with B. Yeah, I'd agree with that. Right, now I'm guessing there's not going to be many questions on this, but I am going to ask you one extra question. Yes, triple should definitely be here. This is all triple and combined. It's the same modules 1 and 2. Can I ask you a question about this one? You all got this right, but how did you know that was a bacterial cell, please? How did you know? Laurie, how did you know that A was a bacterial cell? I think it's kind of obvious which the animal and plant cells are, right? What is D? I don't really know what D is. I think it's a red herring. To be honest, D does not look like anything to me. It's got a large vacuole, which is giving plant cell, but it doesn't have any chloroplast. So it's a bit of a red herring. Right, no nucleus. Lots of you are saying no nucleus. It's got a loop of DNA or circular DNA. God, my hand is so cold. Why is it so cold in here today? Yeah, so we recognize also some of you are saying it's got flagellum. Not all bacteria have flagellum, by the way. Not all of them do, but this has flagellum, so it's quite obvious it's a bacterial cell. It's got no nucleus. You can see the DNA is circular and it's just in the cytoplasm, not in a nucleus. That's the most obvious thing, isn't it? Can't actually see any plasmids. Do you want me to draw a plasmid on? Draw a couple of plasmids. This one doesn't have plasmids. I couldn't see any plasmids, but yeah, bacterial cells can have plasmids. So I've put some on there for you. Turn the heating on. Yeah, I should have, but it's been so sunny and warm that I didn't think I would need to. Laurie, the flagellum is for movement. Almost like a tail, isn't it? Yeah, uses it to swim. Thanks, Rafan. Yeah, it's for movement. What is a plasmid? It's a small circular loop of DNA, which a lot of bacterial cells do have. I love how you're all like answering each other's questions. This is excellent. This is going to help me a lot, guys. Well done. Okay. Again, another easy question just to get us warmed up. They are going to get harder. Oh, what happened then? Let me just see if I can close that. They are going to get harder, by the way. But whilst we're just waking up and warming our brains up, let's do this. Safa's there. Ikra's there. You guys are fast. This is going to be good. I was worried that I planned too much, but I'm liking the speed so far. Right, so contains genetic information is the nucleus, because obviously, oh, why is my pen being dodged today? Obviously, the nucleus contains DNA, right? Contains DNA. Guys, I apologize. Don't know what is going on with my pen. Number 2, controls what enters and leaves the cell. Yes, that's the cell membrane. And number 3, where photosynthesis happens, that's the chloroplasts. Quick fire question then. What do chloroplasts contain? What do chloroplasts contain? Well done to everybody that got those right, by the way. What do chloroplasts contain? Shannon's been awake since 6. Yeah, I think I've been awake since about 6 as well. Silly pen. I know. It's playing up. What do chloroplasts contain, guys? Still waiting for my answers. Chlorophyll, yes, which is that green pigment, isn't it? It's that green pigment. Yeah, the cell wall, by the way, the cell wall wasn't an option, was it? But the cell wall is for strength and support. Yeah, it kind of strengthens the plant cells, supports the plant cells. Remember, guys, and write this down if you need to, animal cells do not have a cell wall. Only plant cells have a cell wall. Only plant cells, and it's made of cellulose. Okay, just 1 second, guys, while I reload the chat because it has just disappeared as well. There we go. It's back. Only animal cells have a cell wall. We know that, don't we? Can I ask you one more question, seeing as we did that so quickly? What is a cell wall made of? A plant cell wall. What is it made of? Bacterial cells do have a cell wall as well, Josh. Yes, good point. Bacterial cells do have a cell wall. What is the cell wall made of? Well done, Emily. It's made of cellulose, isn't it? In a plant cell. Plant cell, it's made of cellulose. Bacterial cells do have a cell wall, as Josh just pointed out, but it's not made of cellulose. Bacterial cell walls are not made of cellulose. Well, excellent, Toby. Yes, Sophie, how did you know that? Yes, Sophie, well done. Sophie's just said peptidoglycan. That is what a bacterial cell wall is made of. Well done, Sophie. Peptidoglycan. That's like some A-level knowledge right there.